Guess who I found in the woods? Welcome back everyone. I'm currently set up and I'm just going to try and find myself some firewood now, so get that before the light goes out, and then we'll be sitting by a nice fire for the night. So tonight I'm going to be sleeping in the Polish Lavvu, my little setup here. For anyone that's wondering, it's the size 1, so it's the smallest one they do, but I should be quite cosy in there because I've stretched it out. And Norman's got his humongous shelter here, so he's got plenty of room. Could bring in a fridge or two.
That's my circus tippy.
But, yeah, so he will sleep comfortably tonight. Well, would you call that a chair, Norm?
What the hell is happening here, Steve?
Let's have a chair.
You got a chair?
Yeah. We got wood. We've got to wait for the world to disappear before we do that.
What?
Fire.
Yeah.
I learnt my lesson hard way with that when I went to, remember the one I'd done before I went out with Summer?
Yeah.
The it was a hammock on my own,
Yeah.
and I thought I was going to get spotted by that thing going past. I think it was because I did the fire when it was still kind of light.
Yeah.
You could see it coming out the canopy, I reckon.
Probably,
and someone's done a sweep to see who's there.
Yeah, there'll still be a few people around, so wait a while. But did you see the goodies that I brought to the fire?
You've got everything here, fat wood.
There's fat wood and these things as well.
Yeah. I was going to try and find some fat wood and do it that way, or try and find some kind of tinder.
Yeah.
But no need to really, is it?
No, we should be alright.
I've got about 10 firelighters as well.
Yeah.
But what I tend to do now is them little firelighters,
Yeah.
that little Lixada stove, it's tiny.
Yeah.
Put one of them firelighters in there, just like that. That's all you need. You can cook a burger on that.
Yeah.
You can make a cup of tea.
But I mean, whatever wood is damp, we can just put it next to the fire so we can just dry out.
Yeah. Well, once we get it going, the wood will just go up, won't it?
Yeah.
A lot of this is quite hard wood as well, so it'll burn long. I'll just make a huge pile, and then we just keep it going all night. Keep it going. So tonight on the fire I've got cooking a sweet potato fries, and I've got 2 lamb leg steaks that I'm going to put on there afterwards as well. And Norman's gone for some, is it tuna?
Tuna, yeah. Tuna sandwiches.
So yeah, this should be enjoyable once we've cooked it up. Sweet potato fries coming out nicely, and next I've got 2-leg lamb steaks. So I'm going to fry them up, see how that goes. Then the fries have turned more into a mash. Yeah, a little bit burnt on the back though. By the look of things. Overdone it a bit in places. A lesson for next time, don't do them as long. Here's my dinner for tonight. It's lamb and some slightly burnt sweet potato fries. That should be good.
Yeah, it's in your face.
Me and Norman we've had our dinner now, so we're just going to chill around the fire for the rest of the night. I don't know when we go to bed. We might have a blimmin' rave or something while we're going. It's my hobbit tent. And then I'm going to get my sleeping bag in soon when I go to bed. Norman's boudoir round 2. So he's a bit unsociable, Norm. He's closed himself in. he doesn't like
Keep the badges out.
he doesn't like visitors in the morning. That's his humble home. You can tell me in the comments what you think of Norman's shelter this time versus our last New Forest camp. You'd like to know. What do you reckon, Norm? Do you reckon a verdict on the camp from last time to this time?
The camp or the shelter?
The shelter, yeah. Your boudoir round 2.
Oh, the boudoir was perfect last time. I slept like a baby until the morning when I was sick, but I mean, it was actually quite good.
Yeah. Right, I'm off to bed now. It's about 12:30, so it's quite late. We've had a good time around the fire, and yeah, I'm just about to get inside my Lavvu. So this is the inside. Got a table there. Really cosy. Good morning, everyone. It's about 6:30 now, and you can hear the birds tweeting in the background. I'm always an early morning person, so sort of just start listening to the sounds. This is what I slept in last night. Polish Lavvu. It was, considering I'm not the smallest bloke, I slept quite well in it. So I've got bacon cooking up on my little wood burning stove as I'm using a little firelighter though. That's all you need really. You don't need any sticks in that. It's enough to cook your dinner, make some tea or coffee. So yeah, I'm going to enjoy that. I've got two bacon sandwiches because I'm a pig, eating pig.
You can show them what I'm having.
And Norman's going to have ambrosia rice pudding.
And that's my breakfast, very healthy.
Yeah, because he's saving the pigs. Right, we're all packed up now, ready to go. This is where my Lavvu was last night. All packed away. That's the rubbish we'll be taking out of the forest. I'm going to leave my little stall because it's conspicuous. And that's where we had our fire last night. So it's all cleaned up. And Norman slept between these two trees here of his configuration. He's all packed away and ready to go now. Right, that brings us to the end of our one night of wild camping. Thank you very much for coming along. I hope if you enjoyed it, please give it a like and a thumbs up. And if you want to see some more content like this, please hit the subscribe button with the bell. I'll see you next time.